kailangan maging mas discerning yung mga tao to be able to, kumbaga kailangan natin talagang gamitin yung sarili nating utak to be able to decipher kung ito bang pinapanood ko na 'to ay kapani-paniwala, may credential at tama ba talaga yung sinasabi nito. Which is scary because, yung pagkakaroon ng mga vloggers na may intention, minsan kasi ang intention nila is to mislead deliberately or to create yung mga political factions, to divide. Yung mga vloggers na 'to are complemented by the trolls, 'di ba? To re-echo what they're saying. So, in effect, they are not sharing information just for the sake of public education, but they're sharing information so that their network of trolls can spread the disinformation.
Meron silang political agenda.
Maganda sana yung para kang may market of information, free market of information. Kaya lang ang free market of information ay nag-a-assume na yung consumer mo may equal level of capacity to process all this information and discern what is right and what is wrong, what are the intentions or the goals of this information being shared to us. 'Di ba?
They're just pounding it.
Oo.
Di ba? Hindi kayo nag-engage sa free market of ideas. You're
Oo.
just pounding one narrative and disregarding everything else,
Oo.
destroying everything else.